Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction from 26th of July to 1st of August 2021. Let's talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn Ascendants, this whole week you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, is not very fruitful days for you. You will be a part of any arguments, any litigation, some health. Your domestic atmosphere, your family atmosphere will be affected. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get results. Relationship with your spouse will be under shadow. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Try to give respect to elders at home. This whole week, you may earn good money from your work, from your business, but mentally you are not happy or satisfied. Wednesday and Saturday, you will earn small amount of money from your business and you will enjoy cash flow, will make you happy. Your savings will rise, but your family atmosphere, your homely atmosphere, relationship with your spouse, relationship with your elders at home is not very promising. You need to be careful while talking with everyone. Friday or Saturday, you may lose some precious relationship due to your ego or due to your bad words. Try to control bad words, or don't talk rubbish without any reason, and don't be a part of any arguments, don't be a part of any litigation. This whole week brings some opportunities related to your professional life, there is no doubt, but your family life will be struggling. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. This whole week, 26th of July to 1st of August, you will be on another height of success. Unemployed guys will get job on Monday and Tuesday. You will, if you are unemployed, you will get job. If you are jobless, there is a strong chances you may start your own business. You may invest your money in your business and your business will give you very fruitful results. Wednesday and Thursday, you will again bounce back with great of success at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Whatever you have performed, you will get 100 out of 100 results. You become very spiritual because Jupiter is transit in your first house and Jupiter is retrograde these days. So you become very spiritual in this week, and you may visit any religious place, or you may go for some charity Wednesday and Thursday. You will spend wonderful time with your colleagues at your workplace. You are feeling much relaxed and comfortable. But some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, which you are able to manage the things very nicely. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days when you will earn a lot of money from your old investment. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Success is there. You will enjoy unexpected monetary gains. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, and your family will support you. Your father will support you, and health of your father will be ultimate. Just focus on your things and must chant this mantra, Om Shah Shanicharaye Nama, Om Shah Shanicharaye Nama. Be honest, be humble, be down to earth. Don't give false promise to anyone. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants this whole week, 26th of July to 1st of August 2021. You will be a part of any problem or any litigation on Monday or Tuesday. Try to pay your taxes or bill on time. Try to pay your income tax on time. Otherwise, you will get some notice from higher authority. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get support from higher authority, but you need to be careful while talking with others. You will earn good money. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning Thursday. But overall, you are not in a safe zone. You are not in a comfort zone. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get fantastic results. You need to be careful. Your ascendant lord is retrograde. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, you will get PR very easily. If you are already applied, if you are trying for work permit, then you will get work permit very easily, because your ascendant lord transit in your 12th house, which is very strong position to settlement in foreign land. If you are a forex trader, or if you are doing any type of forex related business, you will bless with a lot of transactions. I am praying for your happy life. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.